All right, folks, it's Friday. It's finally here, last trading day of the week. And here's what you need to know to start your trading day. So yesterday, wild ride on Wall Street. Dow Jones, S&P both finished the day lower after having traded higher earlier in the session. Now the Dow's down 300 points yesterday. The S&P 500 had a 2% move from top to bottom. So big wild swings in those markets. We're seeing a high number of initial jobless claims. That report came out yesterday, although it is trending lower from what it's been in previous weeks, still a bad number. That's putting some pressure on the markets. And again, this uptick in coronavirus cases putting pressure on the market as well. Now, the one odd child out is the Nasdaq, and that's really kind of been the glory child of the markets as of recently, finishing the day higher, and again, breaking another record as people pile into these tech stocks. Now, heading into today's open, we're seeing weakness across the board. Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, all trading lower as we kick things off this morning. Now look at some of these other markets. With that weakness in the market, you're seeing that dollar rebound. So people piling back into the safety of the dollar, seeing weakness in the euro, weakness in the pound, and weakness in the Aussie as a result. Now the one big move, certainly over the past let's call it 24 hours, has been in oil. And we talked about this yesterday morning. With that uptick in coronavirus, you're seeing this fear around impact it could have on demand, not just here in the States, but globally as potential economies as economies potentially roll back into some sort of a lockdown. Now, yesterday, that put pressure on oil, and we saw nearly just over a 3% move to the downside on oil. So we're back below $40 a barrel in WTI. So get some more volatility creeping back into that market, which could present some opportunity at Nadex. So it's going to be another wild ride. A lot going on. Next week, we have earnings kicking off, which could certainly shake these equity markets up. And you've got a lot of investors looking toward next week as a potential big week in trading. So hope everybody has a great weekend. I'll check in with you folks again on Monday. Stay safe, stay healthy. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter, and we'll keep you updated throughout the day today. Take care, folks.